Hey guys, it's Mike. I wanted to just make a short video, informal video, just letting you know what's kind of going on, why I've taken a break from making tutorial and keyboard videos. There's a lot going on. And I just wanted you to be aware, in case you're wondering, why I've been a little bit silent lately. My last one, I believe, was my tutorial on the Journey song, Faithfully. It's gotten a lot of great response, so thank you guys for checking that one out, and I'm really appreciative to those of you who have let me know that it's been helpful for you. So awesome, thank you. Anyway, so here's the thing. I've been living in this house for the past 20 some years. I've raised a family here. My kids are grown. I am divorced, and so I just don't need to live here anymore. I used to have a larger recording studio in the basement. But I'm selling the house. I'm moving down the road to a town called Stevens Point. I have a new day job there. But here's the thing. I wanted to let you know, this is kind of a one big piece of news for those of you in the keyboard side of things. I have forever, since 2010, my main keyboard for playing cover music has been a Roland G8. And that is a keyboard that dates back to around 2010, 2009. And I also use the G7 at times, so I have both. But I am ready to update it. But I was a little concerned about it because I'm so comfortable with the way I can program splits and layers in the Roland G series. So I had to do some research. I did find out that there is a newer version of Fantom called the Fantom FA series, which the reason this was significant to me, why it got my attention, is because it has the same method and the same workflow of creating splits and sounds and layers that I can use, especially in my cover band where I need to access different sounds all the time. So I'm going to take you downstairs real quick here to my workspace and just show you. Unfortunately, I'm not hooked up to be able to demonstrate anything. This is more just by way of an announcement. Okay, so this one here, this is the Roland Fantom G7. And I have all of my songs that I play in my cover band programmed in here. And they all have, like you guys might remember, I did a video on Living on a Prayer. Here it is. But if you kind of look at that screen, whoa, it's split up into lots of different layers and keyboard splits assigned for different areas having different tones. If you want more information on that, actually, the middle section of my tutorial on Living on a Prayer is in there. So here's the thing. Here is the new keyboard. I'm going to turn it on so you can see. This is, there we go. This is the FA-08 is the name of it over there. So that means it's 88 keys. It's lighter, which is awesome. But look at that workflow there on the screen. It's really set up very similar. And I'm able to go in and program my songs. I have to use the different sounds that are available on this keyboard, but for the most part, this is a good thing because the sounds are updated of a higher quality, which is great. But I love the workflow. So I'm going to have a lighter keyboard, same workflow, and just improved sounds on this Roland FA-08. So I'm looking forward to sharing this with you in the future. So here's the thing. Along with the move, like my whole studio area, this is where I've been making my YouTube videos this whole time, but I gotta move. And I'm just moving into a 2-bedroom apartment, so I'm gonna be taking this whole deal and making videos in the new space. So my YouTube videos, the tutorials will be there. The new keyboard will be there. I'll have a cool way of I'll have the keyboard on a shelf so I can pull it back in and out and still work from the computers there as far as the DAW goes. And anyway, so it's all taking some time. I've been working on this move since mid-October, and now we're at the end of February here. It's been taking some time. It's been a lot of work, but this week I should be starting to be able to move in, and once I get moved in, I will definitely be working on more tutorials. If you have any requests, go ahead and let me know in the comments. If you have any questions about the new keyboard or the Roland, switching it up to the FA-08, let me know. I'd have to answer any questions that I can. Anyway, that's all I have. So again, this is just an update. I wanted to let you know, nothing fancy here, but hey, thanks for following me here on this channel, and I'm looking forward to getting you guys some more really useful keyboard performance resources. Have a good one.